ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा
गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
ओम श्वेताश्रित उपनिषत् मंत्र 1 ब्रह्मवादिनो वदन्ति
ब्रह्मवादिनो वदन्ति
कारणं ब्रह्म
किं कारणं ब्रह्म
कुतस्मचाथा जीवामकेन क्वचः सम्प्रतिष्ठा अधिष्ठिता केन सुखेतरेषु वर्तामहे ब्रह्मविदो व्यवस्थाम्
सुखेतरेषु वर्तामहे ब्रह्मविदो व्यवस्थाम्।
स्वभावो नियतिर्यदृच्छा
कालस्वभावो नियतिर्यदृच्छा
भूतानि योनिः पुरुष इति चिन्त्या
भूतानि योनिः पुरुष इति चिन्त्या
संयोग येषां न त्वात्मभावात् आत्म अनीशा सुखदुःखहेतो
संयोग येषां न त्वात्मभावात् आत्माप्यनीशः सुखदुःखहेतोः
ध्यानयोगानुगता अपश्यन्
ते ध्यानयोगानुगता अपश्यन्
देवात्मशक्तिं स्वगुणैर्निगूढाम्
देवात्मशक्तिं स्वगुणैर्निगूढाम्
कारणानि निखिलानि तानि
यः कारणानि निखिलानि तानि
कालात्मयुक्तान्यतिष्ठत्य एकः
कालात्मयुक्तान्यतिष्ठत्येकः
तमेकनेमिं त्रिवृत्तं षोडशान्तम्
तमेकनेमिं त्रिवृत्तं षोडशान्तं
शतार्थारं विंशतिप्रत्यराभिः
शतार्थारं विंशतिप्रत्यराभिः
अष्टकैषड्भिः विश्वरूपैकपाशम् त्रिमार्गभेदं द्विनिमित्तैकमोहम् So we have started seeing Shvetashvatara Upanishad. We have completed 3 mantras. The Brahmavadis, the Brahmacharis of the Veda, the practitioners of Vedic lifestyle, they had an internal discussion to know what is the cause of nature, what is the cause of this Jagat. Kim Karanam Brahma, is it Brahma? So there was a vague idea, might be Brahma. And in the second mantra, they said they gave 7 factors. Can Kala be the factor 1? Kala, Niyati, Yadricha, Samyoga, Purushaha, Swabhava, Bhutani, all this. And can Purushaha, Jiva be the creator of this Jagat? Definitely not. So all that we saw. And in the third mantra, since they did not get the proper answer, since they are Brahmavadis, they started meditating on Ishvara to get the answer. So Bhagavan helped them to know that I am the cause of this Jagat. Jagat Karanam Brahma. Mayopadi Sahita Jagat Karanam Brahma Ishvara. And in the 4th and 5th mantra, an imaginary example is given. In the 4th mantra, huge wheel, giant wheel. In the 5th mantra, huge river. So you should not get confused with the wheel. It is not the center portion when I say the rim. The center portion is called hub. Hub is Brahma. So yesterday few people had doubt. So when I say rim, it is part of the wheel. And let us not think of any cycle or two-wheeler, four-wheeler vehicle, because there are few parts are there, few are not there. This is Brihat Chakram. So since that is the case, we will just imagine and will not spend more time on this. Why? அவ்வளோதான். இது மாயா, இதை பற்றி ரொம்ப ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணால் சரி வராது. ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அவ்வளோ. ஸோ தம் ஏக நேமிம், நேமிஹி மீன்ஸ் தட் உடன் rim or whatever be the rim. Tivrittam, that rim is huge, it is called Maya. And to hold that Maya can be held only because of its own nature, Prakriti, gunas, trigunas. Trivrittam is trigunaha. Shodashantam, Shodasha kala purusha visa. And Shatardharam, Shata 100, Ardha half. Amale Araha means spokes. 50 spokes to hold the rim, to hold the trigunas, to hold the Shodasha kalas. 50 spokes. The list goes, what are the 50 spokes? We will not see. And most of them are repetitive. And Vimshati Pratyarabihi, secondary spokes 20 in number to hold the 50 main spokes. It can be Pancha Jnanendriya, Pancha Karmendriya, Aprama Tanmatras, Aprama Avada Pancha Jnanendriya, Pancha Karmendriya, respective Tanmatras, sense objects, Vishayas. All these put together is Vimshati. Vimshati is 20. Pratihi Abihi. Pratihi is counter spokes to protect the 50. Next is very important. Ashtakaihi Shadbihi. 6 Ashtakam of 8 in number. 6 Ashtakam, that is 6 groups. In each group 8 numbers. Shadbihi Vishwarupa. Here Vishwarupa means the 8 into 6, 48 properties which is holding the entire wheel. What are those? A list is given. You will see. First Ashtakam, Prakriti Ashtakam. Very nice. Prakriti Ashtakam. 5 elements, that is Pancha Mahabhutas, plus Manaha 6, Buddhi 7, and Ahankara 8. Prakriti-ashtakam. Maya should have all this. Second, Dhatvashtakam. Dhatu. Charma, that is skin. Tvak, the internal skin. So in Sanskritam, when you are talking about I have a skin issue, Ayurvedic people will ask external skin or internal skin. We are worried only with the external skin of putting lotion. We want only public to see us and then say, oh, so nice you are, so glowing you are. Even after 20 you look like 5. But internal skin will have something else, some other disease, we don't know. Tvaku is internal skin, Charma is outer skin. If external skin has to be proper, internal skin Shuddhikaranam we have to do. That purification of the internal skin we have to do. Anyways, Charma, Tvak, Sark, Raktam, blood, Sark, Mamsa, flesh, Medhas, fat. We all have more than required, especially in the head. Asti, bones. Majja, bone marrow. Shukra, virya, that is semen. All these are called Dhatvashtakam, very important for Jiva, which is having a body to survive. Entire list comes in Lalita Sahasranamam. Wala 94, from there it comes. Any problem in one's life, simply chant this 94 to 111, because all dhatus, everything has been covered, internal, external, with respective devatas, yantras, nevedyam, so that you can't come to Vedanta. Next, ಅದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟಸಿದ್ಧಿ, third one, spiritual powers. You know, Anima is becoming small. Verbatim, Anima becoming small, but what is the use of becoming small? Have you thought of? Ipove family people have made us small, not giving us importance. Taniya siddhi veduma. They don't consider that person is there. Chalta hai. So why extra siddhi? It is there in the earlier yugas. It used to happen. Even now yogis perform. But Anima here, we have to consider, if there is a very large group, if you take the verbatim meaning Anima becoming small, you cannot go in a large group. There are 1,000 people, and if this one person becomes like an ant, somebody will put leg on you. Anima means not having a recognition in spiritual life. This is what I give the meaning. Not having recognition. You are just left alone by your own self. People won't recognize you. That is very good. There is no obstacle in your life. If people keeps on recognizing you, then you have to cater to their needs. Anima is being very simple. So every such siddhis should be seen under, not from the verbatim meaning, from the philosophical meaning. Anyways, Anima one, Mahima becoming very big, Laghima becoming very light. This we have to take verbatim. ரொம்ப வெயிட் அதிகம் எல்லாருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணலாம். திஸ் நோ ஃபிலாசாபிக்கல், வில் டேக் verbatim இல்லையா. Here Laghima means that spiritual ego, that I have done so much sadhana, who can beat me? No, it will not come to us because we have not done anything. But generally, Mahima means all the virtues that we entertain in our sadhana. Sadhana, the Daiviya Sampath is Mahima. Garima, becoming Gurutvam. Garima is Gurutvam. Guru Kataksha should be there, that is Garima. The Upanishad will not give this meaning, I am just telling. Ishitva, attracting power, Bhagavat Prapti. Here Ishitva means making everybody under your control, spell. But in our spiritual thing, Bhagavad Anugraha is Ishitva. Vashitva, Vashikaranam, capturing one's mind, capturing our own mind to be under our control, that is Vashitva. Making Indriyas to be under one's control, that is why Shvetashvatara Upanishad, the Rishi was able to control his Indriyas. Prapti, whatever we ask for, it will happen. Most of the things in life we have not asked for, but it has happened. Yeah. Most of the things we didn't ask, it has just came. Prapti anyways. Prakamya, overlordship, Ishvaratva Bhava. So these are the Ashtasiddhis. Next, fourth one, mental states. Bhava Ashtakam. Dharma, righteous life. Adharma, opposite of dharma. Jnana, Ajnana, Vairagya, Bandha, Aishwarya, Anaishwarya. 8 Bhava Ashtakam. Where have we seen this? Pita Puja. Dharmaya Namaha, Adharmaya Namaha, Jnanaya Namaha, Ajnanaya Namaha, Vairagyaya Namaha, Avairagyaya Namaha, Aishwaryaya Namaha, Anaishwaryaya Namaha, Madhye Samsattvaya Namaha, Ram Rajase Namaha, Tam Tamase Namaha, Atmane Namaha, Aha Antaratmane Namaha, Paparamatmane Namaha, Om Hrim Jnanatmane Vandhimandalaya Dashakalatmane Namaha, Suryamandalaya Dwadashakalatmane Namaha, Somamandalaya Shodashakalatmane Namaha, Madhye Sakala Guna Shakti Yuktabhya Soso Ishtadevatabhyo Namaha. This is Pita Puja. So we are invoking we are making the Bhagavan sit on this Pita, which has both good and bad. Aishwarya means opposite also have to be there. Dharma, adharma. This is Pita Puja. Next, Devashtakam. 8 superhuman beings, Devatas. Brahma, that is Hiranyagarbha, the first creator. Prajapati, his successor. Devatas, Swargaloka Devatas, Indra, Varuna, etc. Gandharvas, their colony people. Yakshas, their supporters. Gandharva supporters. Rakshasas, we all. Pitrus, Pitra Devatas, another colony. And Pishacha, yesterday I told. These 5 Pishachas. Devata Ashtakam. All put together is Maya. See, 6th, Guna Ashtakam, virtues. We all need daya, compassion. We expect daya, but we can't give daya. Tragedy. Kshama, forgiveness. Anasuya, absence of jealousy. Shaucha, purity. Anayasa, freedom from lethargy. Getting up early morning is a problem. Akarpanya, freedom from poverty. Krupana bhava, not ayopapade here, it is poverty. Aspruha, desirelessness. One is missing. What is that? What will hold all these qualities? Simple, you can think. All these virtues, 7 we have specified. What is one?
Satya.
Huh?
Satya.
Satya. Satya barna ilvaidade. Okay. All these are gunas, virtues. Moha is not a virtue. Prema, love which holds all this. Samsara Varnanam. Ashtakaihi Shadvihi. This is called as Vishwarupa, all such gunas. And more than all this, there is very one powerful guna. Eka Pasham. World is being held because of Pasha. Pasha is what? Powerful bondage, desire, which making all of us to work morning till night. Eka Pasham. Trimarga Bedam. Marga path. Three only. 3 paths. Dharma Marga, Adharma Marga, then third one, Jnana Marga. You can take Shukla Gati, Krishna Gati, and Adogati. Adogati na. No Gati. No Gati. Adogati. Even we are all in that state only. Shukla Gati, Krishna Gati, Shukla Gati of Upasana, Krishna Gati of Karma, Vedika Karma, and Jnana Gati of Moksha. Trimarga Vedam. Dvinimittaha. Anatma Abhimana is called Dvinimittaha. Anatma Abhimana is Aham and Mama. Ekamoham. Yet a powerful moha delusion is there, that is Ajnanam, which is the cause for exhaustion of punya and papa. This is Maya. All you have to add apashyan. See there. Ekanemim apashyan, Trivrittam apashyan, Shodashantam apashyan. Taking from the third mantra. Shatardharam apashyan, Vimshati pratyarabihi apashyan. All these things they discovered in the seat of meditation. Who? Brahmavadis. Ashtakaihi Shadbihi Vishwarupaihi apashyan, Ekapasham apashyan, Trimargabhedam apashyan, Dvinimitta Ekamohan apashyan iti Brahmavadinaha Dhyana Yoga Anugata apashyan. Sorry. Next mantra, fifth. Panchasrotombum Panchayonyugravakram Panchapranormim Panchabuddhyadimulam Panchavartam Panchadukkhaugha Vegam Panchasrotombum Panchayonyugravakram Panchapranormim Panchabuddhyadimulam Panchavartam Panchadukkhaugha Vegam Panchashadbhedam Panchaparva Dhimaha. Another example or imaginary description of a river, a huge river, not local river like Kaveri or other thing. Imagine Brahmaputra or Manas Sarovar. It is so huge. The width itself is 14 kilometers wide. Which one? Brahmaputra. 14 kilometers is the width. If you have seen Brahmaputra while going to Kamakhya, right side you will be able to see. And Manas Sarovar also 60 kilometers length. Bangalore to Tumkur. So huge, they say. So that kind of a river imaginary, what all can happen in that river? So that river has Panchasrotombum. Srotaha means streams. 5 streams of river. In that river you have 5 streams. Ambuhu means water. What are the 5 streams? Easy. Panchajnanendriyani. We need to experience this world through this Panchajnanendriyani. Any one indriya, sense organ is gone, that part of the experience in the world is not there for us. If eyes are not there, we cannot see the rupam. If ghrana is gone, we cannot smell. If hearing faculty is gone, we cannot hear, we cannot listen. All five put together is prapancha for us. Any one faculty goes, that prapancha is not available. That field of experience is not available. Panchasrotombum. Amale. Streams is srotaha. Panchayonya ugravakraha. Yoni means the cause. 5 causes. That is Panchabhutani. Ugravakra. Ugra means fearsome. Ugram Veeram Mahavishnu. Vakra. One day the water flows very easily. You can take bath, you can do the prokshanam. Or the other day you cannot take bath. Ferociously, the heart rate is moving. Our life is also like the river only. One day everything seems fine. We feel very happy being in samsara. Next day, oh, today is so nice. Tarabala is matching, myself, my spouse, children, everybody is fine. Oh, nice. Next day, in Chandrashtama. Myself, I am not able to manage. Your family. So, Ugra Vakra, it is Hafizar. This Narmada water, I was not knowing because recently only I saw Narmada very closely. Even today, the flow is so fast. Ganga, at least you can know she can be calm. One day she can be something. Okay, Ganga, you have that Pavitrata Bhavana. Even Narmada is also. But the Rabhasa, the force it comes with. Recently, couple of years back, I think you know, floods happened there. And when we cross that area to see Adi Shankaracharya Murti, every evening the bridge gets covered with the flow. And anyway, there is a dam. They open the dam and the water flow is also so fast. No compassion for Narmada Mata. She just flows. Rabhasa, so fast it is. And it is a Sangama there, backside of Adi Shankaracharya's hill. It is a Sangam of Kaveri Kshipra. Very nice place. It is a very serene moment. If you take a bath, backside, if you go and take a bath, so provided if you know proper swimming, you will see a lot of turtles coming from the bottom with beautiful fishes. On the banks, you will see peacock, snakes. The opposite bank, you will see beautiful desi cows walking. 5:30, 6 o'clock, we were taking bath in the evening. You can see line that desi cows going. The opposite side, you have varieties of snake, peacock, that birds, and tortoise coming up. So nice. And we were doing archana in the middle of Narmada, in the boat itself. We were sitting and doing archana. Around 300 as Trishati Nama to Narmada Amba Devi. The Tulsi, the Bilva leaves goes inside. The Bilva leaves, I don't know whether you have tried, we have to try it in the bucket here. I thought because stem is little, it might be thick, so it goes. But if you put coconut, it is floating. Maybe I don't know what happened to that Ammaya when we were there. Coconut, it is flowing. All the tulsi leaves, it is floating. Flowers, it is not floating. It is going in. Anyways, we have to try. Many people said, "Oh, Swami, great sanctity." I said, "Something. It is because of stem something. We have to try here. Then only we know." It might be, but anyways. So beautiful thing. Rabhasa. Why I am telling? Ugra Vakra. She is not so serene. Narmada is so ferocious. Ugravakra, the Panchabhutas. Anyways. Pancha Pranormim. Pancha Pranaha. Urmihi means waves. Pancha Pranaha. 5 big waves. Good waves, bad waves. Good waves, Olympics you can take, you can relate to Olympics of a country. Like that. Bad waves, demonetization, GST. Even till today, many of the business people are against because of this. Everything is okay with Modi, but why did he do this GST thing? So these are the cosmic events which is happening in the form of waves. Anyways, example only. We cannot. You identify the wave which is important to you in your life and write down that. Pancha Pranormim. Pancha Buddhyadi Moolam. Pancha Buddhyadi Moolam. 5-fold Jnanam. That is Pancha Jnanendriyas Vishaya. Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha. That is one meaning. The second meaning is each of the Indriya is getting operated with a faculty called mind, and that mind has these 5 features: avidya, kama, karma, karma phala, and punya papa. So karma phala itself is punya and papa, but the commentators make it different: karma phala and punya papa. Panchabuddhyadi Moolam. Moola means a particular place where the water is very peaceful. Pancha Vartam. Whirlpools. Avartam means whirlpools, 5-fold. Sense objects only, Vishaya Sukha again. Tempting, every Indriya is tempting us to see that, to hear that, to eat, drink, smell, etc. Pancha Dukhaugha Vegam. Fast moving currents. Vegam is equal to fast moving currents. Pancha Dukhaugha Ogha group. 5-fold sadness. What is 5-fold sadness in life? Once trapped, gone. Janma. Hey, today boy is born, girl is born. Dukkham. Any girl or any boy is born in whichever day, it is a dukkham. We should feel, okay, we at least Vedantins, we should feel like that. You need not tell outside. You laugh at them or smile at them. Any birth is a dukkha sthiti, because it has to go through a lot of prarabdha. If it is punya, fine, who knows? Isn't it? That Aneka girl happened yesterday. What is the name? Aneka. How can people keep name like that? Aneka. Eka, Maneka, Idaiva, Nadivarga, where real Varate. Shivapuranathale. That is why the girl, baby girl is not able to keep her head there. Another Vepangla, Aneka. Any birth is a dukkha sthiti. That is the fact. We should accept the fact. We came, we should finish the prarabdha and go off. திருப்பி வரக்கூடாது. அந்த மாதிரி பிரார்த்தனை இருக்கணும். அந்த பிரார்த்தனை எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா, ஞானம் வரணும், அந்த மோட்ச பிராப்தி ஞானத்தோட ஆகணும். So anyways, first dukkha is janma. Jara, old age. Second, Jara, Mrityu, death, another dukkha, sadness. Vyadhi, in between Janma and Jara. One Amma told recently, Swami, I am 80 now. Earlier, sitting from chair and getting up was a problem. Sitting from chair and getting up was a problem. Now lifting my hand is a problem. And when she sleeps on one side, turning right side or left side is a problem. In the age old time. Okay. So then isn't it not Janma is a problem? Dukkha? Should not. In this all Vairagya should come. We will forget all this. Anyways, Mrityu, Vyadhi, and fifth one is Garbhavasaha, Mahadukha. Garbhavasaha. Shivaparada Kshamapana Stotra. Adau Karma Prasangat, we have seen. What all problems in 9 months. Anyways, Samsara Varnanam. Panchashat Bedham. Many divisions. Numerous divisions. Panchashat. 50 such divisions. You take any field of science, doctor. A doctor cannot be perfect in everything in the physical body. He says, for eyes you go to some ophthalmologist. Even if you go to that person, he says, I will look only for retina. If there is something else, I am not expert. So many branches. So like that. Anyways, MBBS is not sufficient. You should do something else. And suffer. Pancha Parvadhimaha. Pancha Parvaha. Parvaha is branches. Adhimaha. We appreciate. Who appreciates? These Brahmavadis appreciate. Adhimaha. Adhimaha means Buddhi. That they appreciate these Pancha Parvadis, 5 branches of the mind, of their life. What is 5 branches? Kleshaha. 5 kleshas mentioned in Yoga Shastra. Can you guess? Yoga Sutra. 5 kleshas. You have not taken Yoga Sutra, Swami. Avidya, Asmita, Raga, Dvesha, Amale, Aidev, Abhinivesha. ಅಸ್ಮಿತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಮಿತ ಆಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅಸ್ಮಿತ. Avidya, you know what is avidya? Mixing the qualities of Atma and Anatma is avidya, ignorance. This is a klesha. Klesha means what? A mental block. If this mental block is there, Patanjali says you cannot meditate. And this person wants to meditate in the morning, night, wants to spend 20-30 minutes. And he has Maha block, that he has mixed avidya. He has mixed the properties of Atma to Anatma and vice versa. We should know what meditation is first. This is a mental block. Having the Viveka that Aham Brahma Jagat Mithya is first mental block removal. And this person wants to meditate. Avidya. Because of avidya, what happens? Asmita, strong individuality, ahankara pops in. Ahamasmi iti ahankara. It comes because of avidya. I am so and so. I am this color, 5'8", 80 kilos. All comes from avidya. One person will say white rice is okay. Other person will say brown rice is okay. ಏನು ಶರೀರಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕಾದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ஏதோ இல்லை நீங்கள் இருந்தால் என்ன இல்லாட்டி என்ன பாருங்க. if we are there, if we are not there, what is the use to the world? இருந்தால் ஆத்ம ஞானம் அடைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கணும். நான் ஒரு 10 பேருக்கு உதவி பண்ணணும். அந்த மாதிரி வாழ்க்கை இல்லாத சத்து போகிறதே பெட்டர் இல்லையா? If you are not able to do dharma karya and not able to know our true nature, what is the use of living? Think. That is why Krishna told in the 2nd chapter 11th shloka, prajnavadhamscha bhashase gatasu nagatasumscha nanushochanti panditaha nanushochanti. If you are living the life, live it properly, or else better to die. What is the use? Strong identity. I have to survive, I have to survive. And that is called as abhinivesha. Clinging to the body is called abhinivesha. Love for the body is abhinivesha. Patanjali says, if you have that thought that I have to secure this body, meditation will not work. சும்மா கண் மூடிட்டு தியானம் பண்ணுறேன்னா எதுவுமே ஒர்க் ஆகாது. யூ ஆர் சீட்டிங் யுவர் செல்ஃப், சீட்டிங் பப்ளிக் ஆல்சோ. அபினிவேஷ, ஸ்ட்ராங் கிளிங்கிங். ஃபியர் ஆஃப் டெத் இஸ் அபினிவேஷ. ஐ ஷுட் நாட் டை. Ragaha, Dveshaha. Anyways, when avidya is there, everything will follow. Asmita will follow. Raga, Dvesha, everything. I like. Individuality vandodane I like ice creams. Sugar vandodane Dvesha. I will not eat ice cream. I will eat sugar free ice cream. Pavam. Angeyu ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಹೋಗದು ಪಾರ. Sugar free ice cream I will eat. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟಾದ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ. Company should develop because of this thing. Sugar free ice cream. Fat free chocolate. வந்திருக்கு இப்போ ஃபேட் ஃப்ரீ சாக்லேட். நான் சொல்லலை. that vritti should go. Okay, I will eat ice cream. If I have sugar also, I will eat ice cream. If not, I will give up ice cream. ಇಲ್ಲ ಉಲ್ಟಾ சுகர் ஃப்ரீ ஐஸ்கிரீம். டிவோட்டீஸ் வில் ஆஸ்க், கொண்டு வரட்டுமா உங்களுக்கு சுகர் ஃப்ரீ ஐஸ்கிரீம் அப்படின்னு பாரு. How much abhinivesha, clinging is there for this anatma sharira. சாப்பிட்டா இருந்த சுகர் இருக்க சாப்பிடுங்க, ஒரு நாள் போவோம், எல்லாரும் போவோம். You all will go, one, that's all. We'll eat ice cream and then go. What is there? Swami, if you talk like this, we don't have any words. Now, why I am telling you, these are all blocks, samsara vichara, samsara vishaya. Patanjali says, if any one of these things are there, so better understand, avidya, asmita, raga, dvesha, abhinivesha is there, you cannot do the dhyanam. Te dhyana yoga anugata apashyan. So people are telling, who Brahmavadis are telling, if you want to do dhyanam, it's not told in the mantra I am telling. If you want to do successful meditation, these things should not be there. First viveka, asmita, raga, dvesha. I want raga, I don't want dvesha. Fat milk Nandini, 50 rupees or 52 rupees, orange color. ಇದು ಬರದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು 52 rupees ಫ್ಯಾಟ್. ಅದು வேண்டாமா, ப்ளூ கலர் ஏதோ 38 rupees லெஸ் ஃபேட். ஆல்ரெடி இருக்க சரீரத்தில் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாக இருந்ததுன்னா இல்லையா? So many messages, YouTube, one will say rice, one will say brown rice, and they have this meter, what is that called, glucometer, and one person puts here and shows. நேற்று பார்த்துருந்தேன், நீ இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஏன் பார்க்குறேன்னு கேட்கக்கூடாது, நான் பார்க்குறேன். ஒன் பர்சன் டூயிங் ரிசர்ச், நல்லா இருக்குது. He eats normal white rice and he says 36 or 38 mg calories goes up after eating white rice with 200 grams white rice, 100 grams of sabji, 200 grams of dal. So 500 grams or 40 mg mele porada after putting that. Then he said, eat brown rice. it is 27 grams mg ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ sugar, something like that. So 6 difference. So he made a conclusion, eat brown rice. Other person came, he said white rice only, if you keep it in fridge and eat the same thing next day, it is 18 mg increase ಆಗ ಪಾರು ಪುರಂಜಿಡ್ತಾ. What about this 18th chapter, 16th chapter Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, where he has told, சாப்பிடனோ 17th, if you eat the food hot சாப்பிடணும், ಫ್ರಿಜ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ வெச்சிக்கக்கூடாது. ಆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವಾರ್ತೆಗೆ ಮದಿಪೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ. And many of us will see that video and then say, yes, we will eat brown rice, white rice. Whatever has come to your body, because it is dependent on the DNA. Many Mahatmas, like all our forefathers, been eating this only, and haven't they survived? Why? Because of abhinivesha. I am spending more time because the strong attachment to the body and fear of death. I have to survive. Let me do whatever it takes. Brown, black, green, purple, whichever rice, let me eat. So these are all samsara vichara in the form of river imaginary. Anyways, this is the mantra. We'll go to 6th mantra. All these are problems. How to get out of the problem? 6th mantra. If there is a problem in samsara, there should be solution also. That solution is given in the 6th mantra. सर्वा जीवे सर्वसंस्थे बृहन्ते,
सर्वा जीवे सर्वसंस्थे बृहन्ते,
अस्मिन् हंसो भ्राम्यते ब्रह्मचक्रे,
अस्मिन् हंसो भ्राम्यते ब्रह्मचक्रे,
पृथगात्मानं प्रेरितारं च मत्वा,
पृथगात्मानं प्रेरितारं च मत्वा,
जुष्टः ततस्तेनामृतत्वमेति,
जुष्टः ततस्तेनामृतत्वमेति,
सर्वा जीवे सर्वसंस्थे बृहन्ते,
सर्वा जीवे सर्वसंस्थे बृहन्ते,
अस्मिन् हंसो भ्राम्यते ब्रह्मचक्रे,
अस्मिन् हंसो भ्राम्यते ब्रह्मचक्रे,
पृथगात्मानं प्रेरितारं च मत्वा,
पृथगात्मानं प्रेरितारं च मत्वा,
जुष्टस्ततस्तेनामृतत्वमेति,
जुष्टस्ततस्तेनामृतत्वमेति.
How to get out of this samsara problem? If one decides, if one has the ichha, this is the mantra, beautiful shloka. At least remember this. Asmin brihante. Asmin, second line. Brihante, first line, third word. In this huge, vast universe, what? Brihante, very big, brihati. Brahmachakre. What is Brahmachakre? The wheel of God, that is Maya. Brahma, Paramatma, Chakre, wheel. Brahmachakra is equal to Maya. That is the wheel of Brahma, God. Hamsaha Brahmyate. Hamsaha is equal to Jivatma. Brahmyate, he roams. In this huge wheel of life, he roams in this Maya Chakra. Hamsaha. Hanti sarvada gacchati iti hamsaha. What is the derivation of hamsaha word? Hanti gacchati sarvada iti hamsaha. He roams here, there, everywhere, just like the hamsa bird. The pond or river for hamsa is the Maya world, and it roams here, there, everywhere. We also as jivas like hamsa keeps on roaming. Brahmyate means tossed up and down. We will try different ways to satisfy oneself. We try keeping the body perfect, which will never happen because it is a combination of Pancha Mahabhutas. One day or the other it has to fall. It will not be the same every day. The cells are changing. Only care have to be given to the body, not clinging. There is a lot of difference. People will get confused to this. Care they think as clinging to it. Whatever is required to the body, minimum requirement only it has to be done, because it has come of because of prarabdha. Whatever you do, it will show its own weakness. With medicines or whatever, you are just trying to postpone the pain. Pain will definitely come. If not today, tomorrow. If not tomorrow, after 10 years. If not 10 years, next Janma. It will come. You are just postponing the pain by taking tablets. Body has its own innate capacity to heal itself. Regarding that, we need to patiently wait. We try various things to keep the body fit. Instrument has to be seen only as an instrument. Mobile phone is an instrument, has to be seen or used only for communication. You cannot get attached to your mobile phone. Similarly, you cannot get attached to your body. Isn't it? Another example கொடுக்கட்டுமா? என்னோட famous example எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Commode is an instrument. It has to be used for what? To remove the waste. You should not develop an attachment. Body is அதே மாதிரி. Every gadget is an instrument. Use. We are using now. Laptop is there in front of me. Use. So that you cannot keep the laptop under your pillow. I love the laptop very much. It has served me of taking the class. Body is an instrument. It has to be used only for dharma and moksha, not for artha and kama. Many times I have told. So brahmyate, this person is trying all sorts of things in the world to keep the body intact. It will not happen. First, remove that thought that body will be 100% pure or perfect. I will not get disease. It will come. Bhagavan Shrira is also subject to some kind of decay. Brahmyate. If not, then he tries to go here, there, astrologers, tirtha yatras, in fulfilling or removing the problems. Wherever you go, this problem will not be completely solved. Accept it and just move on. We should not accept after making many attempts and having failed in life. 50 years we tried, making a person understand. After 50 years, we were fed up. We said, okay, that thought should come in the initial years of the with association with people. People means different viewpoints. They will behave according to their karma. We cannot change them. Nobody can change because it is their nature. Nature cannot be changed. First we have to understand that. Nature is swabhava. Changing this swabhava can work temporarily. It will not work always. So let them be as they are. This thought has to come at the first moment when you are associated with the person, not after 50 years. I told my spouse, my husband, you change. He never changed. I left it. You fed up because 50 years you tried, no use. You have to do it on the first night of your marriage. I am not deviating from the topic. Brahmyate, tossed up and down because of karma. That is how Vedanta is. It is difficult to accept, but this is life. So many problems in the 4th and 5th mantra. How will you come out? Accept. Coming out is through only acceptance. Asmin brahante brahmachakre hamsaha brahmyate. Very important statement. Constantly moving here, there. Okay. Sarva jive sarva samsthe. A description of brahmachakra is given. Sarvajive, Sarvasamsthe is a description of Brahma where all the living beings rest in that chakra and resolve back into that chakra. Okay, this is seen. But how to come out of this chakra? Preritaram cha matva. Very important word. Preritaram is equal to Paramatma, Bhagavan, Ishvara. Preritaram. That is the nama here, meaning. Matva has to be converted to Jnatva. No Paramatma in this Brahma chakra. We are knowing only Maya. We are not knowing behind Maya that Paramatma. Our reverence, everything is only through Maya. Likes, dislikes is through Maya. The Upanishad is telling, Preritaram cha matva. No, there is a difference between Maya and Brahman. And the difference is Pritagatmanam. Pritaka Atmanam. That self is different from Brahma Chakra. Have this Viveka. This Viveka is most important than any other Vivekas. This is a permanent Viveka. Viveka means discrimination. Have this discrimination that Brahma is different from Brahma Chakra, that is Maya. Don't give importance to Maya so much because she has lost the battle. West Bengal Mayavati, I am telling. That Mayavati has also lost the battle. Your Mayavati called BMI will also lose the battle. So not so important. Pruthagatmanam preritaram cha jnatva. Matva is equal to jnatva. May you differentiate. Having known this Paramatma, worship the Paramatma. Jushtaha. Jushtaha means, the commentator gives, Truptaha. Be the blessed one. A sense of fulfillment comes when you know that Bhagavan is my own Swarupa, my own nature. That Bhagavan which I was looking as peace of mind, as contentment, as satisfaction, is nothing but my own higher nature. Jushtaha, tataha, then what happens? Jushtaha bhavati, how to supply? Jushtaha bhavati, then tataha, amrita, tataha, tenamrita, tattvam eti. Eti is attains. Knowing that preritaram cha jnatva, knowing that Bhagavan as a Sakshi Swarupa in the Brahma Chakra, Atma is the Sakshi for this Vyashti Brahma Chakra called body-mind complex. Knowing that preritaram cha jnatva, Jushtaha, he becomes Truptaha, contented in life. Truptaha, Tataha, Tena Amrutatvameti, he attains the Jivan Mukta status and Videha Mukti also. So initially, Jivatma is different from Paramatma, first two lines. Third and fourth line, Jivatma is Paramatma. Dvaita in the first two lines, Advaita in the second two lines. What is the solution? Less importance to Maya. Maya includes your own body, mind, sense complex also. Less importance and more importance to Preritaram, that is Paramatma. Next, seventh mantra. Udgitametat paramam tu Brahma.
Udgitametat paramam tu Brahma.
Tasmin striyam supratishta aksharam cha.
Tasmin striyam supratishta aksharam cha.
Atrantaram brahmavido viditva.
Atrantaram brahmavido viditva.
Dina brahmani tatpara yoni mukta.
Dina brahmani tatpara yoni mukta.
Udgitametat paramam tu Brahma.
Udgitametat paramam tu Brahma.
Tasmin striyam supratishtaksharam cha.
Tasmin striyam supratishtaksharam cha.
Atrantaram brahmavido viditva.
तत्रान्तरं ब्रह्मविदो विदित्वा
दीना ब्रह्मणि तत्परयोनिमुक्ताः
दीना ब्रह्मणि तत्परायोनिमुक्ताः
how to get abided in that preritaram cha matva of the previous word. Preritaram means Paramatma. How to be in the vritti of Paramatma means how to be in my own higher nature. Samadhi vicharaha, getting absorbed in that thought. That is told in this mantra. Etat paramam brahmatu udgita. That is the main sentence. Etat means this Paramatma of the previous mantra, Preritaram. Etat paramam brahma tu udgita. Ut is equal to utkarsha, higher. Gita means message, not the song. This message that Paramatma is the only reality is revealed in the Shastra. Udgita means Shastra, scriptures. Udgita Brahmana antane ide Chandogya. This Ut means higher order of reality. This Paramatma Preritaram is the higher order of reality is mentioned in Shastra. Just as Vaker has a higher order of reality for Swapna. Towards a Swapna, Vaker is a higher order of reality. Similarly, Paramatma is a higher order of reality for waking and Swapna, waking state and Swapna state. Satyasya Satyam. Where did we say Satyasya Satyam? Huh? Tapovana Ashtakam, very good. Supratishtha. This Paramatma, that is Preritaram, is Supratishtha, is the support for two order of realities. One is Vyavaharika Satyam and is Paramarthika Satyam. That Paramarthika Satyam is called as Aksharam, Supratishtaksharam, and Vyavaharika Satyam is called Tasmin Striyam. In that higher order of reality, Aksharam is higher, lower order of reality is Tasmin Striyam. Tat Asmin Triyam. What is that? Triputihi. In that Brahma, this Triputi is also there. What is Triputi? Experiencer, experienced, and the method of experiencing, the knowing. Savikalpa is there in Nirvikalpa. Supratishtita, in that Preritaram, two order of reality is there. One is Savikalpa as Triputi and Nirvikalpa as Triputi Rahitaha. Kutaktidiya? Okay. Mantra is like that, so don't sleep. Atra antaram brahmavido viditva. Atra, this being so, what being so? That Preritaram has two order of reality. This being so, that is Savikalpa and Nirvikalpa. Atra antaram, the difference. Antaram is equal to not the gap, the difference. Brahmavidaha, the Brahmavadis, the students of Veda, viditva, they wanted to know what is the difference between the two, or that Brahma has these two differences. The Brahmavadis wanted to know what is the difference. World is Vyavahara, Brahma is Paramarthika. Iti viditva, Brahmavadinaha viditva. After knowing that Brahma Chakre they want to discard, they want to keep it aside, and Preritaram cha matva, they want to get abide in that vritti. Tatparaha means they commit their self to that knowledge. Tatparaha. It's not a casual approach. Having known that higher reality, I spend entire my life in Shravana Manana Nididhyasana in our language. In the yogic language, it is called meditation. Shvetashvatara Upanishad is called as a Shaiva Upanishad because Shiva is Pradhana here. Just as in Kaivalya Upanishad we had Shiva in the form of Avimukteshwara, that is Kashi Vishwanatha. Here also a lot of Shiva para mantras will come in the later chapters. So, Leenaha, Brahmani Leenaha, they will merge into Brahman. They will merge into Brahman means not a physical distance, they will know that they are Brahman. Simple. We cannot merge anywhere. Because where we have to merge, only if Brahman is not there, in that direction we have to merge. If Brahma is Sarvavyapi, how will you merge? Isn't it? Tat Paraha, committed self-knowledge, committed to this path, that is Shravana Mana Nididhyasanam, Tat Paraha, Brahmani Leena Bhavati. Bhavati you have to supply. They merge into that conscious state, means they understand that they are always in that consciousness principle, they are in that vritti itself. And after knowing this, this is called Tatpara Brahmani Leena Bhavati is Jivan Muktaha. Yoni Muktaha is Videha Mukti. They will not take one more Janma. Yoni means cause for Janma. Yoni Muktaha, again no more Janma. Just by sheer understanding of Vedanta helps us to be a Jivan Muktas. Understanding, properly understanding. Next mantra. Samyuktametat ksharamaksharam cha
संयुक्तमेतक्षरमक्षरं च
व्यक्ताव्यक्तं भरते विश्वमीशः
व्यक्ताव्यक्तं भरते विश्वमीशः
अनीशश्चात्मा बध्यते भोक्तृः
अनीशश्चात्मा बध्यते भोक्तृः
भावाज ಇದೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಭೋಕ್ತೃರ್ಭಾವಾಜ್ ಭಾವಾಜ್ ಜ್ಞಾತ್ವ, ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಂಧಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಭೋಕ್ತೃ ಭಾವಾತ್, ದಟ್ ಜಾ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಜಾ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ತ. ಭಾವಾಜ್ ಜ್ಞಾತ್ವ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಭಾವಾದ್ ಜ್ಞಾತ್ವಾ
भावाज्ञात्वा
ದೇವಂ ಮುಚ್ಯತೆ ಸರ್ವಪಾಶೈಃ
देवमुच्यते सर्वपाशैः
ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಮೇತಕ್ಷರಮಕ್ಷರಂ ಚ
संयुक्तमेतक्षरमक्षरं च
ವ್ಯಕ್ತಾವ್ಯಕ್ತಂ ಭರತೆ ವಿಶ್ವಮೀಶಃ
व्यक्ताव्यक्तं भरते विश्वमीशः
ಅನೀಶಶ್ಚಾತ್ಮಾ ಬಧ್ಯತೆ ಭೋಕ್ತೃಃ
अनीशश्चात्मा बध्यते भोक्तृः
ಭಾವಾತ್ ಜ್ಞಾತ್ವಾ ದೇವಂ ಮುಚ್ಯತೆ ಸರ್ವಪಾಶೈಃ
भावात् ज्ञात्वा देवमुच्यते सर्वपाशैः.
So Paramatma is the protector of this vast universe, is the what mantra says. Ishaha, second line. Vishwameshaha is there. So you have to take that Ishaha. Yetat, Samyuktametat is there. So take that word. Yetat Vishwam Bharate. That is the main sentence. So Ishaha Yetat Vishwam Bharate. This Paramatma protects this two universe. Which universe? Vyavaharika and Paramarthika. And how is this universe? Vyaktad Vyaktaha. Vyavaharika Prapanchaha is Vyaktaha. Paramarthika ಪಾರಮಾರ್ಥಿಕ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ವ್ಯಾವಹಾರಿಕ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಈಸ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತ, ಪಾರಮಾರ್ಥಿಕ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಾರಮಾರ್ಥಿಕ ಸ್ವರೂಪ. ಪಾರಮಾರ್ಥಿಕ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಈಸ್ ಅವ್ಯಕ್ತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪಾರಮಾರ್ಥಿಕ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ನೇಚರ್. Vyakta manifest, Paramarthika unmanifest. Okay, you might get it out. Paramarthika is also a part of Maya. If you can't take that Swarupa, okay, that you leave it. Paramarthika here means Avyakta Sthiti, unmanifest form. That is Maya in potential form. Maya in Gross form is this Virat. Maya in unmanifest form is what? Ishvaraha. Avyakta Ishvaraha. So the other name for Vyakta Vyaktam is Ksharam Aksharam cha. Kshara Prapancha, Akshara Prapancha. Where have we seen? We have seen him. Very good. 15th Adhyaya. Which mantra? Ksharascha, Kshara eva cha, Ksharas sarvani bhutani, Kutastho Akshara. Very good. Kshara Aksharam cha. Ksharam is Vyaktam, Aksharam is Avyaktam. Karyam Karanam. So don't take Paramarthika Swarupam, you take this only. Maya has two forms, one is manifest and other is unmanifest. Potential and one is seen. What was the word used by Shankaracharya? The word called Maya in potential form in Mundaka. We saw in the last month, Bhashyam. Maya in potential form, a particular word Shankara used. Dva Suparna, in that we saw. No problem. I can understand your point. Prakriti Layaha. Prakriti Layaha is called Maya in unmanifest form. That Jivatma, because of long years of Upasana, becomes the Hiranyagarbha and he enjoys that state. Prakriti Layaha. He just sleeps until the next Srushti. Do you remember? These were the words which I had told. Wow. Prakriti Layaha. So, Samyukta. Samyukta means both put together is Vishwas nature. But this Jiva is poor. Anishaha. Anishaha. Opposite to Ishaha. Ishaha is Ishvaraha. Anishaha is Jiva. So this unmanifest is also like Pralaya. In the previous line, Vyakta Vyaktam is Pralaya. Prakriti Layaha. When do we see Pralaya happening? If somebody says, Swami, I want to see Pralaya happening. When do we see? Every day Sushupti is happening, we are perfectly seeing, and we want to be in that Pralaya Sthiti always. Given a chance, classes can be done in the evening. We want to extend the Pralaya Sthiti. Isn't it? Vertical sleep is called Pralaya. Horizontal sleep, horizontal sleep is called Pralaya. Vertical sleep is called? Vertical sleep is called Samadhi. Vertical sleep is called Samadhi. Horizontal sleep is called Pralaya. Like Ikutida Samadhi. That is why in Samadhi you have that spiritual power. Whatever you ask with that Mahatma, everything will get manifested. In the sleep also, what you do, you sleep, take rest, all the vrittis come back next day. So all the vrittis in potential form in horizontal sleep. So it is ready to manifest next day. In the vertical sleep called Samadhi, what happens? He gets all the siddhis. Vedantic, it is my interpretation. Chanagiditane. Gita. Avyaktadhini bhutani vyaktamadhyani bharata avyakta nidananyeva tatraka. Yes. So, mokshat in 2 minutes. Anishaha cha atma bhadyate bhoktruhu. Anishaha means this Jivatma. Atma here means Jivatma who is helpless. We have seen yesterday. Because of avidya kama karma. This also we have seen. He doesn't have any control in life. Everything he is perturbed. Bhadyate, he is trapped. Bhoktruhu, because of kartrutva bhava, he is trapped. 4th line, Shankaracharya often quotes in Brahma Sutra. Very important line. Bhavat Jnatva. This notion of kartrutva and bhoktrutva, which is the seed of samsara, that is ignorance, adhyasa, Jnatva, having known that Preritaram, that Paramatma, Devam Muchyate Sarvapashaihi. Devam here means Paramatma. Jnatva, having known Paramatma, you should not read ulta. Devam Jnatva, you should read like that. Devam Jnatva, Anishaha Muchyate Sarvapashaihi should be the sentence. Sarvapashaihi, he becomes free from all the clutches of samsara, all the bondages in the form of avidya, raga, dvesha, asmita, abhinivesha will go for him. More we will see tomorrow on this shloka. Om Sham Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Mritangamaya Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaye